Okay, Jalen, let's take a look at what we have here. At first glance, we definitely want to make sure that the resume is much more balanced on the page. We don't want this big block of empty space down here. So we're going to be taking a look at some of the formatting to try and make that work. So starting off at the top, you followed the instructions on the heading and the formatting there, so good job with that. Education, St. Augustine's University, Raleigh, Bachelor of Science in Sport Management. Verify whether this actually has an S at the end of it or not. There are folks in that industry who do get very, very picky about saying sport management versus sports management. So if you're trying to get a position in that field, you want to make sure that you're accurately representing this. One place that you probably add some space is add just a little extra space above parking management company to break it down a little bit from where that border line is through here. Is this actually the name of the company? Because it doesn't really sound like the name of a company. Summer Valley attendant, okay. Position and dates over here out to the margin, that's good. Again, with the bullet points, we want to focus much more on things that people don't know about the job and what unique things you brought to this position. So did you supervise people? It's a huge responsibility to have access to all these keys. Did you train people? Anything like that you can tell me. Also remember, you have 2 links in the assignment to TikTok videos where someone is demonstrating for you how to take boring bullet points and spruce them up so that they work for you. So definitely watch the videos and come back to this and revise these bullet points. I know that these positions don't seem like there's a whole lot to work with, but you can definitely make them work harder for you than what you got going on right now. Also, there is a misalignment in these bullet points. We definitely want all of our bullets to line up to the margin and not be indented like these are. For the leadership experience, the team captain of a basketball team, you need to tell me a little bit more about these bullet points here. Just saying teamwork, adaptability, communication doesn't mean that you have it. Demonstrate that to me. What did you do as a team captain? Did you plan workout schedules for a team of 50? Did you develop team building activities for the group? We want these bullet points to look more like normal work experience bullet points, and that includes giving me more description about what it was that you're doing. And then down here in the career development programs, this looks like I don't know that it needs to have its own separate section. I would probably put this up in the experience area. And remember, you can take out the word work and just have experience as this heading, and then move this information up here. But also keep in mind, we've got some formatting mismatch here too. The internship part should be italicized, but these 2 things should be bullet points formatted like this, and so they don't need to be italicized. And then the date needs to be up under the city state, just like these others are. So this whole area down here, the formatting is off and it draws the person's attention. So we definitely need to fix that. Under here, you've got computer skills, Word, and then you talk about play, basketball, and reading bibliographies, and those aren't computer skills, right? So make sure that if you have computer skills here, that you're only listing computer skills next to it. And only list interests that have something to do with the position that you're trying to get. So, I mean, obviously you play basketball, team captain here, right? So you don't need that listed down here. And I'm not sure anybody actually just sits and reads bibliographies. Maybe biographies is what you meant, but you know, recreational reading isn't really something you want to have on your resume. Again, this is all about you and what skills you bring to a prospective company. So let's see a revision. Let's fix some of these formatting errors and pump up these bullet points a little bit more. Again, videos in the assignment.